Hey everyone, Danny here, Red Sand Adventures. Just going to do another update on the Toyota camper shell build. So I started the interior and yeah, I'll show you how we're making it with that. Alright, so you've probably already seen the shell so far, but a quick look here. This is on a 2014 Tacoma. So here's what we got. We have a bed platform one side. So down beneath here, this is gonna get closed in. And on the opposite side, we have a table. It sticks out about 15.5 inches. And then eventually there's gonna be shelves kind of in this area. I just didn't build the shelf part yet. Step in here. I'll show you more about the bed. So as you can see, you can make this bed bigger. It's all on hinges. I'll show you. So like I was saying, down beneath here is all going to get closed in, and then if I pick this up, it's all hinged. So that's on a hinge. So I'll have storage down there. Then this piece also on hinges. So as you can see, this flips over, and I have a double bed, so you can sleep 2 people if you want to. And then when you don't need that, that flips. So this part will open for storage. So I'm still not sure where I'm going to put everything. I think now that I have this kind of counter space built, cabinet area, probably going to put my extra battery down in here somewhere. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure on water yet. I don't know if I want to put it up top or not. I don't know if I want the extra weight up there above the cab, but if not, maybe I'll plumb it in down here somewhere. Maybe put a little sink up here. Or I can do lots of stuff. Maybe I'll put a little propane tank under there somewhere. Not really sure yet. Maybe my control panel. Anyway, that's where we're at so far. Eventually this is all going to get painted. Not sure if I'm going to insulate the gap or not. Haven't decided yet. There will be a diesel heater going in it, or I even thought about maybe one of the little wood stoves. Anyway, we'll see. Stay tuned. Hope you're enjoying the videos and the build so far. Like, subscribe. Appreciate it.